I call this unboxing to order.
Welcome everybody to our March unboxing video. I'm here with Nicole. She reviewed Soundless for us, and now she's back to review this month's Owl's Crate box. We have a theme of Writer's Block this time. Let's see what we have. Oh, we've got a theme song.
Oh yeah. I just made it up. On the spot.
Amazing. Okay, so this is our card this month.
Oh look, it even has Soundless on there. Soundless Dumplin' and The Love That Split the World. Because those will be on your shelf.
Ooh. Okay, we have some buttons. Buttons? Yes, buttons from the Bookworm Boutique. Pins designed exclusively for Owl Crate.
Live to read.
Ta-da! Ooh. Out of print.
What are those socks? That's amazing. Are they banned book socks?
They're banned book socks from
that
Out
is
of
so
Print.
Cool.
Okay, you want to pull something out?
Yes, I do.
Oh, I see one that's very you-oriented.
This is awesome. 642 tiny things to write about. On the inside, you've got these little like writing prompts, so if you fancy yourself a writer or if you just need to get some ideas out, you can open up a page, fill in the blanks, and have an awesome time with 642 things to write about.
I've never seen a tiny one, but they have like big ones that are like 642 blah 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 regular things to write about, like writing prompts. They have a kids version. They have they have drawing things too, so if you like drawing.
Oh, that is so
it's a
cool.
good series. Okay, you need to pull out this thing because it's
it's
very up your alley.
This is just like what I was playing with. A writer's quill, if you will.
Let's see, the pen. Kickerland?
Kickerland. A very fun writer's pen. I don't know if it matches my mustachio, but...
Or my flamingo. Well, it's actually Nicole's. I borrowed this.
That's okay.
But, you know, I borrowed this flamingo.
This is so much fun. Borrowed Nicole's flamingo.
I just borrowed Nicole's flamingo.
Yeah.
Now we have the book, finally.
Ooh.
It's called The Serpent King. Let's see. Oh, we've got a message from the author, Jeff Zentner. Dearest fellow Owl Crate lover. His handwriting is a lot easier to read than some of these other authors. I'm just saying. This book came to me at the end of one of the most trying periods of my life. A time when I thought the balance of my life would begin to tip toward endings, not beginnings. I wrote The Serpent King for everyone who has ever wrestled with faith, for everyone who's ever found salvation and friendship, for everyone who's had to find beauty in rust and broken things, for everyone who's ever felt the kind of hurt so profoundly only an infinite summer sky can contain it.
Oh, this is so heartfelt.
Just reading this is really good. I'm excited about this book. For you. My greatest hope, my friend, is that this book helps you do painful, brave, and beautiful things. Walk into the bright morning. Your friend, Jeff Zentner.
Oh, Jeff.
That is beautiful.
I'm so excited for your book.
Yeah. Ooh, we have a print here from, I assume, the book.
Dill has had to wrestle with vipers his whole life, at home as the only son of a Pentecostal minister who urges him to handle poisonous rattlesnakes, and at school where he faces down bullies who target him for his father's extreme faith and a very public fall from grace. The only antidote to all this venom is his friendship with his fellow outcasts, Travis and Lydia, but as they are starting their senior year, Dill feels the coils of his future tightening around him. Dill's only escapes are his music and his secret feelings for Lydia, neither of which he is brave enough to share. Graduation feels more like an ending to Dill than a beginning, but even before then he must cope with another ending, one that will rock his life to the core. Debut novelist Jeff Zentner provides an unblinking and at times comic view of the hard realities of growing up in the Bible Belt, and an intimate look at the struggles to find one's true self in the wreckage of the past. Oh, I am excited about this.
This sounds good. So this will be our Instagram giveaway. Make sure you check out our Instagram page at Delaware Library, and you can possibly win those socks. You gotta follow us, you gotta like the picture, and then you gotta comment. Tag a friend in the comment. That's really not that hard, guys. It takes like 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
And or comment on this video to potentially win all of these things and this awesome sounding book, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, watch it. Indubitably.
Indubitably. I say. Okay.